here the Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party. He's from the Indian administered Kashmir to share his view. Ershad Malik.
Thank you, Aftab. I have read all the 5 points, and I was surprised when you, in your intro, said that the people of Jammu, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, and Pakistani administered Kashmir. And I don't know why you left the valley of Kashmir, which is more suppressed part of the state. I am in regular contact with, as you know, many important leaders. And let me tell you that me and Aftab were working together since more than 25 years, when we were young kids. So he discusses with me everything regarding KDF, and naturally the more than 50% of leadership in Srinagar know what Aftab or the British diaspora is doing. So I want to tell you that we not only approve your efforts and this 5-point agenda, but support it in letter and spirit. And it is very important that we have been in trouble since 6 decades, and I think we have not been able to send our voice to the people who matter. And I will make only one suggestion. It is that, as you said, that you trained some young political activists and councillors on the recommendation of Mr. David Ward. So I will request you that you need to make efforts to make some so-called senior Kashmiri party heads to realize that they should work together. And one more thing, that it is necessary that for development, peace is important, but for peace, justice is important. And to me, justice is not possible unless the people are given their rights. And the most important right which is pending, and nobody is giving heed to that, is that we Kashmiris, we deserve, and what have been promised to us by the UN Charter, Pakistan is signatory to it, India is signatory to it, that we should be given right to self-determination, and we must be asked to decide our political future without any pressure and without any coercion. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.